This trading bot can bring you $7,500 a week. In order to activate this bot, you will need the Telegram platform. After you install Telegram, you need to find this bot. The link to it will be in the description and in the attached comment. Next, pass the quick registration stage. The bot will give you all the quick instructions on how to activate, how to deposit, and how to get the first signal from it. Next, you have 12 currency pairs to choose from. I advise you to fix the data of the currency pair in your favorites. For this purpose, you go to currency pairs, and each currency pair you mark 12 main ones, and then at your discretion you can mark other, well, or exactly the same pairs on the OTC market. I will tell you about the OTC market in a separate video, so be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss this video. When you have everything added, you can start trading. To do this, you need to customize the platform. The chart type you need to choose is candlesticks. Time frame either 15 seconds or 5 seconds. I advise you to start with 15-second candlesticks so that you have less garbage on the chart. Well, and put your amount per trade. In my case, it will be $1,000 for one trade. Next, you choose the currency pair that you like. I advise you to choose currency pairs that have good movement, where the price has a very good downward or upward movement. If you see something strange happening on a currency pair, it is better to skip that currency pair. I choose the euro-dollar currency pair. The expiry time is exactly the same as the one I have on my platform. I get a sell signal, immediately open my sell trade and pay attention to the fact that your signal, which you received from the booster bot, is valid for only 10 seconds. If you didn't open your trade, you better get a new signal from the booster bot. And that trade brings me $780. As you can see, I did not do any analysis of the currency pair. Everything was done for me by the booster bot. On my part, I have to choose the expiry time, or in other words, the time at which I want to enter the deal, the amount of money for the trade itself, the choice of currency pair, and the most important thing is to open a position on the upside or downside. The next pair, Euro Swiss franc, I choose this currency pair in the bot. The expiry time is also 1 minute. And I get a buy signal. Right from here I open a buy trade. As you can see, there is a good upward movement, so you can expect a continuation of the uptrend on this currency pair. Very risky deal, but it closes in plus and brings me $890. As you can see, Booster Bot reads the market perfectly, and you cannot worry about your statistics. If you are a complete beginner and open trades without the best entry points, then 70% of plus trades you are assured. Australian Canadian dollar, I choose this currency pair again in the bot. The expiry time I also choose 1 minute and get a sell signal. I immediately open my sell trade and wait for the results. Here you can observe a good downward movement. If you believe the smart money trading system, the price has now come to a small stop and from here can get a good downward impulse. A good trade brings me $800 of net profit. As you can see in this video, I have already made plus $2,000. So now I can safely open my next trade for $1,500 and I will not risk anything. I'm gonna stay on the Aussie Canadian dollar. I get a sell signal again. Right from here I open my sell trade. As you can see, the price has passed this strong level that I talked about in the last trade, and now I can expect a reaction from the next upper level. Literally 1 point was not enough for me to close the deal in the plus. This unfortunately happens with Booster Bot, not 100% profitable deals, but you need to understand that you do not do any heavy analysis. You do not need to sit 24/7 and monitor the currency pair. You just open the bot in Telegram, choose a currency pair and earn on it. Now I will cover my minus on the currency pair Euro Swiss franc and open a deal for $2,000. I get a buy signal and I open my buy trade from right here. Beautiful deal brings me almost $1,800, and as you can see I calmly covered my previous minus. If you have a minus deal, add 20 or 30% to the next deal and cover your minus. Because the statistics BoosterBot at the moment 87% of all users, and BoosterBot users are already 8,000 users. As you could see from this video with BoosterBot, is very convenient and easy to earn, and in the long term you will have 7 out of 10 deals to close in the plus without any knowledge. And if you learn the best entry points, which currency pairs are better to trade, which ones you should skip, and also follow the BoosterBot's Telegram channel, where the programming team shares the best currency pairs, share promo codes, then you will be able to achieve 9 out of 10 signals in plus. So I will leave all the useful links in the description. Be sure to subscribe to all the resources of this bot in order to earn even more. And if you have a question, immediately contact the support account, which will be in the description and in the attached comment. This is where I will say goodbye to you. See you soon.